how to save Instagram Reels video in your gallery. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to save Instagram Reels video directly to your gallery. So let's get started. First, you need to open up your Instagram app. Once you are here, you need to search for the reel that you want to save. Once you find the reel, you need to tap it open, and from here you can see the share icon over here, which looks like arrow pointing to the right. Simply tap on it. Once you have done that, you need to scroll and then you need to tap on add to your story. Now that you have added reels to your story, you can see the three dot located at the top right corner of your screen. Simply tap on that. From the option that appears, you need to select save, and that's it. You have successfully saved reels to your gallery. In order to check whether the reel is present in your gallery or not, we need to close the Instagram app and then we need to head towards the gallery, and there it is. You can see that the reel is present in your gallery over here. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.